In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to do a perfect voiceover, even while working from home. Hi, I'm Andy from TechSmith, where we help you show what you know. And right now, I'm here at the studio, but sometimes I'm working from home. Now, I know you probably aren't set up with a recording studio in your house, and that can create a few challenges when you try to record your audio. So today, I'm going to go over exactly what you need to do to get a great sounding voiceover, no matter where you're at. Let's get started. Not all videos need a ton of preparation. Quick, one-off screencasts or a fast demo can be done mostly on the fly. But for videos where you want more polish, a little bit of preparation goes a long way. First, find a quiet place to work. Professional voiceover artists typically have a room somewhere with walls covered in sound-absorbing material, a fancy microphone setup with a pop filter, and a computer workstation that looks like it could be straight out of NASA's Mission Control. Luckily, you don't have to go that far to get great results. What you really need is a space free of distracting noises and where you're not going to be interrupted. As crazy as it sounds, a closet can be a perfect spot to record your audio at home. The small space with all of those hanging clothes are going to reduce a lot of noise. Next, you need a decent microphone. If at all possible, try not to record your voiceover using your laptop microphone. While built-in mics are fine for Zoom meetings, you will get much better results with even a low-cost external microphone. Even your smartphone's earbuds will give you a better sound than just your computer's built-in mic. You don't need to spend hundreds of dollars either. You can get a very nice USB microphone for between $60 to $100. If you're going to be doing a lot of voiceover work, it's well worth that investment. If you plan to use an external mic, I also recommend investing in a pop filter. They're cheap, and they help minimize the distracting sounds known as plosives. Yes, that's a real word. Now you'll want to write a script. This is probably the single most important thing you can do to ensure your voiceover sounds professional. Nothing slows down a recording more than trying to remember what you wanted to say next. Your script should include word for word everything you intend to say, but even a bulleted list is better than trying to do it all from memory. Next, you should get a dedicated voice recording tool. There's no shortage of audio recording software on the market, and most of them do relatively the same things. But no joke, my favorite voiceover tool is TechSmith Audiate. Audiate lets you edit your voiceover just like you would edit text in a document. It transcribes your voice in real time as you're recording. So rather than staring at a waveform and trying to hunt down exactly what you said and where it is, you can see the written words right on your screen and edit the audio from those. It saves so much time. Audiate even automatically flags all of your ums and uhs and other hesitations so you can easily find them and delete them. You can even delete them all at once. This can take an okay voiceover to professional quality in just a few seconds. When you're done, save the audio file and import it into your video editor to finish up your editing. You can even export the edited text as a transcript or as an SRT file for captions. Now, as for recording your audio, first, make sure your microphone is placed in a good spot. Ideally, place the microphone 6 to 8 inches from your mouth and slightly below your chin. Then do a quick test recording so you can hear how everything sounds. You don't want to get through your entire recording just to realize your mic was too loud or not even on at all. Not that I've ever done that before. Once you're satisfied with your voiceover test, you're ready to record for real. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Speak slowly and clearly. Enunciate each word, but don't concentrate on it so much that you end up sounding like a robot. Consider your tone as well. You want to sound pleasant, but not overjoyed or overly excited. The simple tip I tell everyone is just to smile as you read it. It sounds silly and may even feel a little silly, but it can actually help you sound more upbeat in your recording. Next, don't stop if you mess up. You can always fix it when you edit your audio. Just go back a sentence or two in your script and start again. This is where Audiate makes it super easy to go in afterwards and delete the sentence or two where you screwed up. And finally, if you make a lot of mistakes or it just gets too hard to keep going, pause your recording and take a break. A frustrated or tired sounding voice rarely makes for good audio in the end. And there you have it. Recording voiceovers like a pro isn't that difficult when you know how to do it. It's funny because the actual recording plays a pretty small part when you compare it to the preparation. Are you recording your own voiceover? What have you found that works well for you? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. And if you don't already have TechSmith Audiate, there's a link in the description below for a free trial. Thanks for watching.